Hey there, trying to shop online with a vanilla gift card but it keeps getting declined? You probably need to add a zip code. Here's how to do it in less than a minute. First, go to vanillagift.com. This is official site for vanilla gift cards. Make sure it is the right one. Now click sign in. Enter your card number, expiration date and the CVV from the back of the card. Once you are in, look for the option to edit or add billing address. This is where you add your zip code. Enter your zip code and save the info. This helps match your billing details when you are checking out online. That's it. Now your vanilla gift card is ready for online shopping. Just make sure the billing zip code you entered matches what you use at checkout. Still having trouble? Some websites are picky, so double check the balance and billing info before you try again. Like and subscribe if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.